gave you the chicken, gave you the rice. We have to complete the meal with the sauce that brings it all together, the famous white sauce. My rendition includes some mayo, vinegar, black pepper, and water. And you need some sort of chopper to bring it all together. I use a pull chopper. And honestly, for this, the measurements, you just gotta measure with your heart for this one. So I start by throwing a few of these tablespoons of mayo, depending on how much I want to make, because the mayo will go based on how much you want to make. I kind of just fill up my pull chopper, and then after that I take some vinegar, white vinegar, and just pour it on top, a little splash or two. That's gonna make it that tangy taste, so the tangier you want it, the more you add a little bit of water just to make it the consistency that you'd like, and then top it with some black pepper. Get a good amount in there. All right, take the spoon out. And again, you can use any blender for this, or if you just need some way to kind of whip together the ingredients and get it all blended and fluffy-ish. All right, so mine is in there. Check on it. Look at that. Do you see that beautiful consistency? And take a little taste. That's great. You take a taste of it, see if you like the tanginess, if you like the consistency. It's a little bit of a runny consistency, which I do like. You see the flecks of black pepper, and that's it. All right, let's plate everything. All right, all the elements are complete. We got that chicken, we got that yellow rice peeking through, we got some lettuce on there. And now to finish it off, we're doing the white sauce. I don't have a bottle, so I'm using a Ziploc bag, but you know, it does the trick. Drizzle it all over. Oh, look at that. Wow, that looks amazing. And I'm telling you, you can use this white sauce for anything. Even the rice, even the chicken. These things go great together, but honestly, you can make it your own. You can have it on just a salad. You can have the chicken with, you know, a wrap. You could have the rice with something else. You can just have the white sauce with something else. You can completely make any of these recipes your own. They are absolutely delicious. Now time for the taste test. Get a little bit of everything in there. Love it. Absolutely love it. This is such a great recipe. And if you add some barbecue sauce on top of this, you'll get the full NYC halal cart experience. Hope you try it out. Let me know what you think, how you guys like it. It is absolutely delicious, and I will be finishing up this plate off camera. Thanks for watching. Bye.